mala me chanamal de ner ka jen gwas me chet kanama anda mandona limala ngich no one man bo kono la da wale a changing equilibrium condition ala le Chatelier principle gore jaw bo kon limgwa and le Chatelier principle o en Italian ke mis ni le Chatelier principle tin lade reaction mete ke equilibrium gore jaw bo kono ngaja gwa what imagine and the Chatelier principle what we describe the change that will take place when any one of the reaction parameters are changed at equilibrium. Allah and would a Chatelier let any gara malato reaction pair la reaction pair and no one kachala te modo dien me chala rejamo a quiz me there or a cooler garden a jaladamo nano divination time define again if any one or more of the reaction parameter is changed at equilibrium, then the reaction will proceed in that direction so as to undo the change in parameter and the equilibrium is attained. Kakujime ala reaction mete ke equilibrium kachi kon modo dien chi kon introduce kwana alarm chi kon temperature increase ke chana pressure chana je increase ke chana volume chana je decrease ke chana concentration chana ko te kan por parameter the direction of equilibrium da kulo ukujimit na me gore je obo kon lenga gwa ko cha pa ko nisha that is it predict whether the change in reaction parameter will favor the formation of reactant or product and me o bana je predict en gara men buto ba do nan ka reactant sai ke don ba je nan ka product sai jangoro bo kon ngaja gwa wana nan je gwa me ko to kon ke reaction da ra to kon ke exothermic and endothermic reaction mu ko release need energy exothermic ke me chana nen ka solution ba reaction ko observe need energy endothermic reaction wana me chana exothermic reaction chana jane exothermic reaction when the temperature is lowered the reaction will proceed in the forward direction alama cha temperature me cha je lower lodo no cha temperature cha je degree but direction of equilibrium bo wonaka bo wo kuchuech la bo ka rai sai since the heat produced during the forward reaction will undo the impact ko ka exothermic reaction je reaction ko release need energy alama nang door ko forward direction ne wo heat and cha release ko ka exothermic reaction ko release need energy te ka rai sai be heat and cha release be reaction ba je wo nullify ke ba je undo ka kujame janamo ka do podo den when the temperature is increased me cha increase the temperature ka exothermic reaction then the reaction will proceed in the reverse direction mata kon ka exothermic reaction ka cha increase the temperature but direction of equilibrium ba wonaka ba waka left side but me cha decrease ne ja ba wonaka ba waka forward direction la right side okay now ba wonaka ba waka left side la reverse direction janamo wana me ka endothermic reaction alamen ko observe need energy when the temperature is lowered me cha temperature me cha je decrease the buto direction of equilibrium ba wonaka ba waka reverse direction okay kama cha temperature cha increase ne je buto but direction of equilibrium ba waka right side la forward direction na me jen lero ka principle le Chatelier ka temperature okay when the equilibrium shift in the forward direction which equilibrium which are ko gere kuchuet then the concentration of product will increase the concentration and the product ku jimi ka right side but work am ko increase na order which equilibrium which are order gere ka forward and that of reactant also decrease the moment ka reactant but degree na the moment ka forward but order increase ka exothermic reaction the temperature is lowered which are temperature decrease the moon ka exothermic reaction which are temperature which are degree the moon but ba more product ba ja formula no be konta more product gwata me ka me charge degrees okay me charge degrees and temperature ka kujama me charge degrees and temperature wana me la pe borne exothermic ko pe borne exothermic reaction wana me ka endothermic reaction me cha temperature me cha je increase bukon take more product to ba form. Okay, increase in temperature ko pe bo ne endothermic reaction, but decreasing of temperature ko pe bo no ne exothermic reaction chete mun je kono jangne kenya. Okay, chana example me chana jamanen chana example me chana jaman gu gwad me chana example me chana janen namani nitrogen gas plus 3 mole of hydrogen to produce 2 mole of ammonia, where change of in subfield and negative 92 kilojoule and mole. Kaja reaction me, if the temperature is lower, it means a temperature charge decrease. Moro ikon ga temperature ni chiang bu kon gu ni change of 8 gwad me. Wo mi a negative. Okay, wo me cha temperature cha decrease ki cha increase kana mani a negative bu kon ma lera bu kon nan gwad me cha temperature me cha decrease ka reaction me take equilibrium ka change of h lodo negative gwad me. The reaction will proceed in the forward direction. Okay, me cha decrease na temperature ka change of h negative ba worker I side no ko cha worker I side ta bu concentration ba worker mo ku increase na rode no ba worker mo ku increase na rode ko ku jin ci do rode shiften jembo concentration ba rode nyoga gerten bo ka ku me ci direction of equilibrium me cha worker forward bi ngaji ba increase na concentration of ammonia la product what me. If the temperature is increased, which I increase the temperature, change of H negative, okay, then the reaction will proceed in the reverse direction. The reaction below left side, left side, okay, which is the endothermic, which is endothermic in nature. So the concentration of ammonia will decrease. What the concentration of ammonia point, but decrease. Ngukura decrease kaja which reaction gene loje jagwame bo increase the concentration of hydrogen can a concentration of nitrogen can be increased, but the concentration of ammonia be decrease gwadame. Okay, gwadame chikon to ka impact of temperature one ka impact of pressure. Pressure gwadame ngula affect on ka position of equilibrium. According to the Chatelier principle, if the pressure at equilibrium is increased, then the reaction will proceed in that direction where the pressure is reduced. Ala gwada me ala ka rule and chala de Chatelier jani didi me cha pressure me take equilibrium me cha je increase the direction of equilibrium, but wo kujen take is small number of mole no but wo kujen take is small number of mole since the pressure depend upon the number of mole ko pressure ko define ka number of mole bu kon reaction bu kon guje la kujen take is small number of mole a gen bu direction of equilibrium bo tane chana example en ci dot jong na ke nyam chana janen wada me to kon ke 2 mole ka ammonia ka product to kon ke 3 mole ka hydrogen to kon ke 1 mole ka nitrogen reactant side mo mat kon number of mole ka 4 mole product side ka de 2 mole de jo ka ta ka ge ban reaction me en reaction me ne o much con pressure much con increasing mana direction of equilibrium mana jagwe ka kuje me much con pressure much con increase da wakara sai ko jem kuje take is small number of mole, but ka much con pressure decrease da waka left side ko jem kuje take large number of mole yanta ande kon den gwada me. If the pressure at equilibrium is decreased, then the reaction will proceed in the direction where the number of mole is more. Direction of equilibrium ka pressure la we kujen take large number of mole again mecha pressure mecha degree. Kama na concentration at equilibrium, on increasing the amount of substance, the reaction proceed in that direction where the substance is consumed. Okay, what mane ka amount of concentration reaction will take equilibrium mecha amount of one substance mecha increase kuj maybe direction of equilibrium, but wo kuj reaction de charge consume. When the amount of the reactant is increased, the reaction proceed in the forward direction, and then the amount of the product is increased. Kuj reaction the work forward direction, but amount of product by increase, then the reaction proceed in the backward. The forward reaction is favorite if the product formed are removed from the vessel. Alla forward direction got make forward reaction. Kwaja pebble whenever mecha one substance ke one element charge remove reaction. For example, molo ikon reaction me. de kon je ko tema gwa ta man o ka je na ammonia me chet ken de kon je ko ka je na ammonia me reaction de o ngum de to me chi kon na me chi kon remove ngum de to de direction of equilibrium da ring kuje cha do remove ten da wo ka left side okay ka ngum de to me chi kon ammonia me chi kon remove the direction of equilibrium da ring kujin cha do cha remove ten ko be reaction be jakula bala na nyaw ko janta an la ro da ka jana me ka kujin mo ka case of concentration chira de kon je ka given reaction man ngum de to when ber me cha concentration of nitrogen gas me cha je increase the direction of equilibrium da wo ka right side ko cha increase ne reactant side da wo ka product side ka ngum de to me cha concentration of na ka me cha je decrease the reaction da wo ka right side ko cha decrease ne ammonia ka me cha increase ne je the direction of equilibrium da lo jo ku je me ko chi ku je me je kon te ka more concentration ba lo jo be na me be ko lo nyo ko balan jantan le ro da gwa da me ke impact of concentration okay gwa da me na man da den impact of catalyze gwa da me chana catalyze chana jenen chaje define a substance that change the rate of reaction without being consumed during the reaction a larger substance and catalyze mila reaction laja gair no a rate of reaction quiz speed increase but the position of equilibrium change again whether and catalyze does not affect the position of equilibrium the position of equilibrium change again but could increase the rate of reaction could change the time in which the equilibrium is attained by time by jagger but gere ke time the position change again could balance kajan both sides no this is due to the fact that men charo do kula ger ke je wone the catalyze change the rate of the reaction, the rate of the forward reaction and reverse reaction by the same acting la rate of reaction ka forward ke ni reverse la ja gere ke jen the same ke do jen che equilibrium jen che je kula fa ka jamun jen do mu chet ke na jen do ban chen mo che je kula fa ka impact of addition of inert gas mandodian inert gas michi kona at ka reaction mete ka equilibrium ngum de to ka kwejama take a case ne dang rawta lato inert gas lot kana noble gas for example chet ke argon chet ke xenon chet ke helium michi kon ka at ka reaction mete ka equilibrium ngum beto take a two option case 1 when the non-reactive gas is added at a constant volume alagwa the mene ba direct me on Baji Joko, what will happen to the given reaction at equilibrium when the argon is added in the given reaction? Mecha argon mecha ja at reaction mete ke equilibrium. Ka kuja me metal mo broad ger baji nyot constant volume. But mete ko mo broad ger baji Joko ka kor ka men chana na mo chana ja aten. Then the volume of the system charod change. Michi ngaji charo de change bukon direction and be let ka kon bukon again but meta kon ka kon sen volume bi ngaji no impact tell mu bagger but meta ja at and mechet ke na mo and noble gather mon meta ja at ka reaction ka che volume che je change ka system bukon pom lar dang rawti bukon ka use no ne mene kon ja assume je reaction konja assume the reaction ka kuje mane bukon change of n bukon calculate change of n ban ja doy ke do me ala number of moletin ta ka por da gwa the me matke bi ko gor pin number of moletin ta ka reactant kuje mane matke bi ko gor pin ka kuje me ngoke number of moletin ta ka por da ngokten ta ka reactant sai ngokoten bu gwa n ka bi jek ba ajala change of n no ka kuje me change of n ala number of moletin ta ka product minus number of moletin ta ka reactant ka kuje me mu wo ko ni negative ba addition of inert gas ba wona ka ba direction of equilibrium ba jagar ka reactant side la left side mo diniken ka diru ala ya positive 1 woniam the direction of equilibrium ba waka right side ka kuje me mo woga nyung ni jidiro mi chigo ngo ba addition of inert gas betel ma ba ger ka reaction so janande kono nen ba me chana example me chana jamane whether me te kon get sodium bicarbonate decompose partially to produce sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide, where change of age of the reaction is 128 kilojoule positive number. Chakon kuli jiwa ka reaction me ngum de to wen ber me cha carbon dioxide me cha je remove the direction of equilibrium da o kuje me cha carbon dioxide me chi kono wo ka reaction the direction of equilibrium da wo ka right side ko direction of equilibrium la wo kuje cha do wo tin me cha na wo na carbon dioxide jangwa dan bu do roten gwala me chawa addition of water me chi kon water mo den chi kon la moderate mo direction of equilibrium la wo kujin do dienen kan do laten ala kujin ja do nung ten je da water te ko perda be direction of equilibrium bu na wo ka left side ko chi kon te ga more water be gor be kujin man be ban nyoko bala kasi gwa the me raising in temperature bi chi enyo be bi ko no ko positive ta bu na wo ka right side but me negative that work left side which I increase the temperature. Adding of sodium carbonate jane which corner at ngum da no no impact ko didi ala na many a solid substance ala solid substance kalamala gere ko position of equilibrium addition of solid substance and no impact so janda kono nen ka lesson wala ka kan next section do dien video do dien mi bo kon waka chemical bonding so janande kon nen ka gen reaction mi chet kanama biata mal